what stormwater really means for people and that it really needs to be taken with consideration. It can lead to algal blooms in downstream water bodies. Too much phosphorus is really bad. It can also have health complications with heavy metals coming off of the road. So yeah, that really got me into the stormwater field. I'm Amanda Van Pelt. I am a graduate student at NC State University in the Department of Biological and Agricultural Engineering, and my main focus is on wetlands. I work under my advisor is Dr. Bill Hunt, and we do a lot with stormwater wetlands. There's not really a whole bunch of explicit guidelines on what to do with maintenance, and a lot of these wetlands have not really been looked at after they were put in because there's not really a big sort of foundation for that. And so my project is looking at how much has accumulated over time and then what kind of is that accumulation. Is it mostly decaying organic matter, or is it sediment coming in from the watershed? What kind of is it? I'm using the liner sampling device. It is for soft soils because wetlands are often soft soils. And we have been taking undisturbed samples for this project, and it has been working really well. There's green infrastructure and gray infrastructure. Gray infrastructure is like culverts and channels and like concrete structures. And then there's green infrastructure like stormwater wetlands and bioretention cells and swales and things like that. And those are being put in exchange for gray infrastructure sometimes these days because they do similar functions and are more cost effective. And with more of these going in, we really need to get a handle on how they need to be maintained and what needs to happen with their maintenance. Otherwise, they're just potentially not going to work as they were intended. And so we're trying to get a handle on what maintenance is required for stormwater wetlands.